welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today's wig video is sponsored by WestKiss hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So if you guys are new to my channel, I review for WestKiss hair quite often. As of lately, they have upgraded their wig units and also their packaging as well. So I believe I said this in my last video that I did for them back in like August or September, I think. I was raving on their quality of their hair. They definitely have upgraded. If you guys go back to my YouTube videos of WestKiss hair, maybe like a year or two ago, then you guys would definitely see the upgraded wigs, you guys. So let's just jump right into the hair specs. This is a 200% density wig unit in 24 inches. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and this is also a curly texture. So what you guys see right now is not straight out of the box. I did define my curls off of camera and let them air dry, and I only used water, you guys. So I'm showing you guys literally pretty much straight out of the box when it's coming to like the lace and stuff like that. This wig looks damn good. And again, they have definitely upgraded their wigs. They're using a different vendor. I don't know. But these wigs are completely different than the previous years. So the thing that I like about WestKiss hair, which I always rave about, is that they offer the higher density wig units. They're like one of the few that offer the 200 to 250% density wigs. Their wigs have always been very full, you guys, and I absolutely love that. So I would not recommend this to someone who is a beginner or who does not know how to manage curly hair, because this is a lot of hair, you guys. It's a lot of hair, and it's really, really curly, and it also has kind of like a poof to it as well, like a natural poof. And I just would not recommend it to you guys. If you are patient with your hair, I would definitely recommend, but beginners, absolutely not. But anyways, I'm showing you guys here that I put the combs in on the side, and once I did that, my lace was not laying flat, so I had to take the combs out, you guys. And also, I did not use my adjustable strap either. If you watch me, then you know I don't use my adjustable straps at all. So that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue down this wig unit, and I'm also showing you guys what this wig looks like with no baby hairs. I just thought that the hairline looked really good, you guys, so I just kept with it. So no baby hairs today.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, cool, I be stacking. Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us.
So this install wasn't any different than any other. However, I felt like it was easier because I didn't have to do all of the extra baby hairs and stuff. And also, I want to talk to you guys about this product that I'm using to tint my lace. So I found this in my beauty supply store. I'll link it down in my Amazon storefront if I'm able to find it. But it is in the color macchiato. So this is my very first time using this product. I was a little scared to use it because I didn't know if it was going to be very dark on my lace. And yeah, so basically what I did was put it on my fingers and then rubbed it in that way. Once you start to go in and layer this, it's going to become darker. So your lace is going to be darker than your skin tone if you're around my skin tone. So I wouldn't layer this if I was you guys. Literally just do one layer and that's it. So usually I come on with my lace tinted with my foundation, but I wanted to try something different. Would I use it again? Yes, but I will have to test it off of camera so I can know what I'm doing. Maybe I can go lighter, I don't know, but this was the lightest color in the beauty supply store, and that color was macchiato. But other than that, this is a very beautiful wig unit, you guys. I absolutely love it. It's really, really pretty, and I absolutely love the texture. It's giving natural hair, like raw curly hair. I love it. Love the texture. So anyways, that's all that I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This ain't what you used to, I require more.